Welcome to my channel. How are you all? We are all going through tough times and we all are battling hard, isn't it? We are now standing at crossroads regarding traveling. Should we travel or should we not? To stop the spreading of coronavirus, yes, we should not travel. But for how long? Our tourism industry is suffering. So many people are staying away from family for jobs or any other reason and they're not able to meet them. I know how it feels when you know that you cannot travel. I have been away from my family for so long and hence I have accepted that we have to live with this virus and travel as well if required. But we have to be responsible travelers and follow all the guidelines given by the government. We should wear masks and face shields, carry sanitizers, maintain social distancing. So for everyone who has decided to be responsible travelers, I have collected some recent rules and regulations issued by different state governments for traveling under Unlock 3. I hope this would be helpful to you. For everyone out there who are still not ready to be responsible travelers, I would request you not to travel and to stay at home and keep yourself and others safe. This is the first part of my video series regarding these rules and regulations. In this video, I have discussed the rules and regulations issued by the state governments of Delhi, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Chandigarh, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Delhi. For coming to Delhi, COVID test is not required. However, thermal screening will be done for all the passengers at the Delhi airport upon arrival. Every passenger should have the Arogya Setu app downloaded and their health status updated. International passengers who are coming to Delhi would have to go through 7 days of institutional quarantine at any government facility at no charge or paid quarantine at designated hotels. After this institutional quarantine, they would also be kept in 7 days of home quarantine. 7 days of home quarantine is mandatory for domestic passengers. However, the constitutional and governmental functionaries and the staff members are exempted from the 7 days of home quarantine. Haryana. COVID test is not required. However, thermal screening will be done for all passengers upon arrival. And 14 days of home quarantine is mandatory. However, no institutional quarantine is required. Every passenger should have Arogya Setu app downloaded in their phones and their health status should be updated, or else they would have to submit a health declaration form. Himachal Pradesh. This is summertime and who would not want to come to this paradise? However, if you want to come to the hills, you must follow the following rules. COVID test is not required as such. However, thermal screening shall be done for all passengers upon arrival. All the passengers must compulsorily have the Arogya Setu app downloaded and their health status updated. All the passengers coming from any red zone district outside of Himachal Pradesh shall be mandatorily sent to institutional quarantine for 14 days. Also, if the passenger is having influenza-like symptoms, irrespective of any zone they are coming from, they would be sent for 14 days of institutional quarantine. All the passengers coming from red district zones outside of Himachal Pradesh but are carrying COVID-19 negative test report shall be mandatorily put to home quarantine of 14 days. This COVID-19 negative test report should be from ICMR authorized lab and should not be older than 48 hours of date of departure. If you are coming to Himachal Pradesh, you must remember that entry and exit from the state borders will be allowed only from 6 am to 8 pm. Jammu and Kashmir. COVID-19 test is mandatory for all passengers upon arrival except for the defense personnel. All the passengers shall be kept in institutional quarantine till the COVID-19 test results are available. The test results would come in about 4 days. Until then, the passengers will be kept in institutional quarantine. If the test results are positive, they will be sent to COVID facility or hospital for treatment. If the results are negative, they would have to undergo a mandatory 14 days of home quarantine from the date of testing. Every passenger is required to fill up ICMR health form on arrival. Every passenger is required to undergo COVID-19 test at the airport. Every passenger should download the Arogya Setu mobile app or fill a self-declaration form to certify the status of their health. Passengers who would be an exception to the quarantine are defense personnel, business travelers with confirmed return or onward ticket within 4 days of arrival and a confirmed hotel reservation, passengers with RT-PCR negative test report from ICMR authorized lab which should not be older than 48 hours from the date of arrival. Madhya Pradesh. On arrival, thermal screening and health profiling shall be done for all the passengers. If the passenger is found symptomatic, COVID-19 test shall be performed. Passengers who would go through the COVID-19 test at the airport shall be kept at institutional quarantine till the results are available. If the results are positive, the patient shall be taken to COVID center. However, if the test results are negative, then no home or institutional quarantine is required. No quarantine for business travelers and corporate travelers. Again, the most important thing, every passenger should have the Arogya Setu mobile app downloaded in their mobile phone and the health status uploaded, or a self-declaration form has to be submitted to certify the status of their health. For all passengers travelling to Indore, 14 days of home quarantine shall be mandatory and everyone should download the Indore 311 app and register before arrival. Punjab. Thermal screening shall be done for all passengers and COVID test shall be done on random basis on arrival at the airport. Every passenger to register on Kova Punjab app. Every passenger to download and update their health status on the Arogya Setu app. All the domestic passengers shall have to undergo a 14 days of mandatory home quarantine. For international passengers, 7 days of institutional quarantine followed by 7 days of home quarantine is mandatory. However, business and corporate travelers shall not be quarantined. If you are travelling on Saturday, Sunday and public holidays which are considered to be curfew period in Punjab, you should not lose your boarding pass as this shall be considered as an e-pass for movement to and from airport during this period. Chandigarh. COVID-19 test shall be performed on random basis. However, thermal screening will be done for all the passengers. If the result of the test comes to be positive, the passenger shall be shifted to isolation center. All asymptomatic passengers or all passengers would have to undergo a 14 days of home quarantine. However, no quarantine is required for business and corporate travelers. Also, the most important thing, passengers should have the Arogya Setu app downloaded and their health status registered and updated. Also, the passengers would have to fill a health declaration form on arrival, and all the passengers should download and register to Kova Punjab app before the start of the travel. In Uttar Pradesh, all the passengers will have to undergo thermal screening at the airport, and also all the passengers will have to register on state website or phone number. I have given the web link and the phone number. However, I'll write it down also in the description below so that you can click on it and go to the required website. However, for passengers who are not going to stay in Uttar Pradesh for more than 7 days will be exempted from any mandatory quarantine. However, they have to validate their onward or return travel. All the passengers would have to submit a health declaration form or confirm the status of the health through the Arogya Setu mobile app. For the international passengers, 7 days of institutional quarantine followed by 7 days of home quarantine is mandatory, and for domestic passengers, 14 days of home quarantine is mandatory. If you are planning to travel to Uttarakhand, the following rules shall apply to you. COVID test shall be conducted on a random basis on arrival. However, thermal screening shall be conducted for all the passengers. After this, you have to go through a mandatory 14 days of home quarantine for all the passengers. For For passengers arriving from high-load COVID-19 infected cities, 7 days of institutional quarantine is mandatory. Institutional quarantine can be availed at the government facility without any charge or at designated hotels with applicable charges. This 7 days of institutional quarantine shall be followed by 7 days of home quarantine. List of high-load COVID-infected cities that is listed out by Uttarakhand state government can be found on the state government's website. So before you are coming, please check the status of your city. Pregnant ladies or seriously ill person or senior citizens who are above the age of 65 years and persons accompanied by children below 10 years will be exempted from any institutional quarantine. However, they would have to stay in home quarantine. All the passengers travelling to Uttarakhand need to register on the state website in the following link. I would also give the link in the description box so that you can click on it and go directly to the website. All the passengers should download and update their health status in the Arogya Setu app. For travelers having negative RT-PCR test report from ICMR approved lab and also which is not earlier than 72 hours from the time of arrival will be permitted to enter the state without any restrictions. However, the travelers are required to upload this report on the state website. No quarantine is required for asymptomatic business travelers provided that they show authorization letter from concerned authorities. Well, this was all about today's video. The intention of this video is not to urge you to travel, but to help you if you have to travel. So be a responsible traveler. Download Arogya Setu app, wear a mask, wear face shields, take sanitizers along with you, maintain social distancing, and let's stop spreading this coronavirus disease. By the way, can you guess the video clip you can see right now is from which place? Write your guesswork in the comment section below. If you found the video useful, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries or suggestions or anything in your mind that you want to share with me, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.